Okay, we're going to shoot at a 5-gallon jug with the Samyang 909S big bore. And let's see what happens to that jug. The camera ready. Okay. Okay, I got it pointed right over there. Let's see what happens to that jug. I'm going to be using full power. Only a hole. Only got one hole. That'll be one. The big one? The big one?
What happened?
What do you get one hole? This one, this one.
One right through.
Yeah.
Right through the whole thing.
Right through? Yep.
The big bullet.
Oh yeah. Okay, watch out, I'm gonna shoot the cinder block now, the other side. The concrete block. Yeah, I went through 2 sides. Yeah. Okay, now I'm going for that concrete block. Watch out, this one might fly over there. So. See what happened to the concrete block, yeah? Yep, went through. Okay, shot the 5-gallon jug. Let's go check them out. And the concrete block. Okay, this one only went through one side. The other shot I did them the other day. Only one hole, one side. And here's the pellet. It mushroomed up. Yep. It's a powerful air gun. Okay, this is Hot Rod George from Kaneohe, Hawaii, doing my Samyang test. 909S big bore. At full power, I only had about 2,700 PSI, and yeah, and I did 2 shots. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.